In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate estimates in QuickBooks Online. Duplicating estimates is a great way to save time, especially if you often create similar quotes for different customers or repeat jobs. Instead of rebuilding the same estimate from scratch, you can quickly copy an existing one, tweak a few details, and move on. First, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation bar. Look for the Sales option. Go ahead and click on Sales. This is where QuickBooks keeps things like invoices, customers, and of course, estimates. Once you're in the Sales area, you'll see a submenu across the top of the page. From here, select Estimates. In some versions of QuickBooks, you may need to choose all sales and then filter for estimates, but the idea is the same. You want to get to the list of all your existing estimates. Now you should see a table listing your estimates, including details like the customer name, date, status, and amount. Take a moment to scan through this list and locate the estimate you want to duplicate. It may help to use the search bar or filters if you have a lot of records. When you've found the estimate you want to copy, look over to the right-hand side of that row for the action column. In this column, you'll see a small drop-down arrow. Click that drop-down arrow to reveal a list of options for that specific estimate. From the menu that appears, choose the option labeled Duplicate or Make a Copy, depending on what your version shows. QuickBooks will now create a new estimate based on the original one. A new estimate window will open, already filled in with the same customer, line items, quantities, and prices as the original. This is your chance to customize it. Update anything that needs to change, such as the customer, dates, description, or pricing. Carefully review all the information to make sure it's accurate for this new situation. Once everything looks good and you're happy with the changes, go to the bottom of the screen and click Save and Close. Your new estimate is now saved as its own record, separate from the original and ready to send or adjust later if needed. That's all it takes to duplicate an estimate in QuickBooks Online.